Ayan, so, ano nga ba ngayon? Tanghali? Good afternoon, everyone! Hello po! Ay, wala kaming naririnig. So, first time po namin dito. And kinakabahan po kami kasi first time namin mag-perform sa stage na to. So, ayun guys, good afternoon! Ayan, so, hello everyone, we are Hoshi Zana! So kami po ay isang cosplay group dance cover artist. Oh, basta yan. So magpapakilala po kami starting kay ate. Ayan.
Hi everyone, my name is Yana and I'm cosplaying as Queen Margaret from Layla po. Hi! Hi po!
Hello!
Hello everyone! My name is Cherry and I'm cosplaying as Tam Coco from Love Live and Layla.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim and I'm cosplaying as Hazuhiro. Nice to meet you all!
Hi everyone! I am Ashuri and I'm cosplaying Natsumi Onitsuka. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu! Nice to meet you! Ayan, so, hello everyone! I am the leader and founder of this group. I am Ses, cosplaying as Shibuya Kanon from Love Live Superstar Lila. So, explain lang po namin sa inyo. Bale, kami po ay cosplayers na usually nagpe-perform po kami ng mga anime songs sa convention, cosplay conventions. And first time po namin sa Travel Expo, so kinakabahan kami on what to expect. But happily, napaka-warm ang welcome ng lahat dito. Thank you so much po.